I think we've found something in the sand.
Wow!
Minecraft boxes. Into the collection they go. Or better yet, let's make something. Ooh, it looks like we've got company. It's Minecraft meets Roblox. Let's have some fun. But first, we prefer things with a soft touch.
Wow!
Looks like somebody's hungry. On second thought, maybe we should check out that gut. Hey, I think I see something. How did that get in there?
Wow!
In fact, he's not the only thing in there.
Whoa!
Silly, blocks aren't for eating. Let's put them to better use. Building stuff. We can whip up a whole new place. And there's plenty of room to enjoy and explore. Our Roblox friend's having tummy troubles too. It's nothing a little fiber can't fix. Well, I guess we're having another block party. And look, we've even got rides. Who wants a turn on the Ferris wheel? Just don't stay too long at the fair. Hey, did somebody pick our pocket?
Eh?
I think we should follow that money trail. Okay, what we need is a bank. Some hot glue will keep things together. Of course, we've got all sorts of tools to help. How can you not trust such a familiar face? Place a coin on his tongue, and he'll store it for you. Hey now, watch those sticky fingers.
Ouch!
Something tells me another safe is a good investment. Take some cardboard and put everything in its place. Leave a coin. Our friend Blue will take care of it. Who says don't be Blue? He's this round's winner. Guess zits also come in square. Who knew?
Ew!
Well, we've got the perfect lancing tool. Soon, your face will feel like brand new. Looks like you could use some help, too.
Ew!
So why don't we clean up this new mask? This time, pimple popping requires a personal touch. Of course, some things are better with tools. Besides, nothing beats a soothing face mask. Well, I've grown accustomed to this face. Hey, I think someone laid an egg.
Wow!
Well, let's get cracking. I want to see what's inside. Something tells me this might take a while. Wow, that archaeology degree is really paying off. We found someone. Let's clean him off.
Cool!
Another egg? This time, let's cut straight to the point. You lay eggs too. Easter came early this year. Under that hard shell is a real softie. Either way, there's still plenty of friends to be found. In fact, our new friend comes with accessories. Guess there's some assembly required. Someone's looking fly. Ooh, I wonder what we'll find in this next egg. You know, everyone's made up of all sorts of different parts. Either way, our egg friends are exceptional. Ooh, going on a trip? Hey, what's in the bag?
Wow.
Sorry, but just look at all these beads. Why don't we use them to have some fun? Look, we can make all sorts of faces. Now take an iron to keep them in place. It's melting! Melting! Just what we need. Just add some string and we've got a brand new pendant. Would you like one? Hey, we'll make you your own. I just knew that piggy stencil would come in handy. For this project, it's time to think pink. The best part, it peels off like a sticker. Decorate your phone, or even your shirt. Of course, you can't beat a lucky charm. A blind bag? Make that a bling bag! What you waiting for? Let's cut it open! Wow, it looks like a Minecraft catnap!
Wow.
Still, I think we could use a quick trim. I wonder what's inside. Oh, a tinier catnap! Think there's an even smaller one inside? Well, there's only one way to find out. Catnap's the gift that keeps on giving!
Cool.
Seriously, we've got our own quartet! But there's still more blind bag fun to be had. Ooh, a brand new block friend! And another bag! A mystery tube, too! We hit the jackpot! Try it on! You're somebody now! You could also use some new paws. Now let's put a happy face on things. Look, it's our old pal, Dog Day! Every puppy needs a tail to wag. You know, there might be just one of him. But I guess every dog has its day. A piece of land?
Wow.
Well, it's time to get mining. Wait, it's a box. Lift the lid and the treasure's all yours. Ooh, cool, a heart sticker. What else did you get? Wow, there's enough stickers in here to make a stickier book. Our Roblox pal got a box for you, too. Wow, there's all sorts of cool stuff inside. Look, there's even some more stickers. Share them, but keep one for yourself. But that's not all. There's a tiny new friend inside. Remember, variety's the spice of life. Hey, there's something on your face. It's nanotape. Let's use it to finish our box. Just fill it up before we add on the lid. Now, why don't we paint a nice familiar face on him? Aw, he's cute and squishy too.
Wow.
But you know what else is squishy?
Aww.
A sponge. Let's customize it. Cut it down to size. And now make yourself a new friend. He's cool, but sometimes less is more. Hey, where did all these feathers come from? Well, if you like feathers, we've got a chicken you should meet. Give her clay, and you've got a feather, and then some.
Cool.
Like your very own personal mini-me. Hey, there's something in your ear. Oh, look, it's a tiny eraser. And we're about to make it tinier. But now, let's stack them and wrap them up. Hey, can you lend us that toothpick?
No.
It'll really help bring everything together. This little piggy's going right to our hearts. Hey, watch out for that pickaxe. You okay? I heard about losing face before, but not like this. Of course, a change in face is always in order. How about we go for another spin? Feeling thirsty? Well, then try a juice box. Besides, we can use it for our next craft. Add cardboard, some pencils, and we've got our own printer. Run our friend through and give him a whole new look. Ooh, let's just hope it comes with an undo button. Gesundheit. You can use a tissue. Hold on, there's something about this tissue. Dunk it in water, and you get a surprise. Wow, there's surprises all around here.
Hey.
Next up, we've got another special printer. Press the button for a new picture. But this time, you get to color it in. Add some laminate and an outline. Soon, you'll have your own DIY magic picture.
Ooh, looks like someone's playing Minecraft. Oh, great. What's the neighbor's Wi-Fi again? Ah, once again, shaking things solves everything. When you get blocks, it's time to start building. Just remember, there's always room for growth. Wow, Minecraft really does bring people together. Don't worry, I think she comes in peace. Come on, don't be shy. Shake her hand. Here's an apple. Here, it's not for eating. It's for show. Careful, it's kind of fragile. Let's see what lies beyond the looking glass. Uh-oh, I think you're stuck. Someone's really got a hold on you. It's a zombie, and he brought dynamite. You can ride, but you can't hide, so run! You heard me, run! A pickaxe. Wait, that could come in handy. What's in there? Ooh, we got a piggy. Here, this should supersize the little porker. Now that's bringing home the bacon. Why don't we cook up a surprise for Mr. Zombie? This'll give him a taste of his own medicine. Who's up for a little piggyback ride? Hey, careful where you aim that thing. We lose more good sheep this way. Maybe we should turn around and regroup. Okay, we should get out of here. What are we gonna do? Aha! Crafting will save us! Did somebody order an egg? Throw it on! Now we've got our own sword in the stone. Well, someone's not gonna be King of England. What? You expecting a bed of roses? Guess it's time for another potion. Ooh, double bubble, toil and trouble! Let's just hope it passes the taste test. Ooh, someone splurged on the protein. Careful, those are some lethal weapons. Let's try this again. She's got the power! Mr. Zombie's in for quite a surprise. For the honor of Grayskull! Oh, come on. He's impervious to swords, too? Ugh, no fair. Maybe we can hide in these rushes. Rats with wings? You blew our cover! But wait, they also left us eggs! Well, time to get cracking. Ooh, someone's got a tough shell. Tape! To the crafting table it goes. It's our very own Steve, made of tape. He's translucent and well attached. Don't forget to test those joints. Of course, even guys made of tape could use a hot ride. Especially when they need to be a distraction.
Yay!
Quick, girls!